I, Professor B.H. Deshmukh, lecturer from Mechanical Engineering Department of MUP's Rajarshi Shahu Maharaj Polytechnic, Nasik. Today, we have to discuss on the steam and the steam boiler. We know that steam is nothing but the vapor form of the waters. When the water boils and evaporates at 100 degrees Celsius under the atmospheric pressure, then water get converted into the vapor form and is known as a steam. By higher pressure, water evaporates at higher temperature. For example, a pressure of 10 bar equals an evaporation temperature of 184 degrees Celsius. Because we know that water boils and evaporates at 100 degrees Celsius under the atmospheric pressure, and the atmospheric pressure is the 1.013 bar. But when the pressure increases up to 10 bars, and which is equals an evaporation temperature of 184 degrees Celsius. During the evaporation process, pressure and temperature are constant and a substantial amount of thermal energy is used for bringing the water from liquid to the vapor phase. We know that steam has three types. First one is a wet steam, second one dry steam, and third one is a superheated steam. When water get converted into vapor form and that vapor can contain the some water particles is known as a wet steam. Wet steam is again heated and all the water particles are removed from that steam is known as a dry steam. Dry steam is again heated for increasing the heat content is known as a superheated steam. Here we have to discuss when all the water is evaporated and the steam is called as a dry saturated, means in that steam which cannot contain the water particles. In this condition, the steam contains a large amount of a latent heat. We know that basically heat are two types. First one is a sensible heat and second one is a latent heat. The heat can be sensed by the ordinary thermometer is known as a sensible heat, and the heat which can change the phase of the substance is known as a latent heat. Further heating of a dry saturated steam will lead to increase in temperature of the steam, and that type of a steam is known as a superheated steam. Means dry saturated steam is heated and that steam is get converted into the superheated steam. Now we have to discuss on the steam boiler. Steam boiler is nothing but the device which is used to create the steam by applying the heat energy to water. Means for conversion of water into steam form, for conversion of water into vapor form, the device is to be used. That device is known as a steam boiler. Steam boiler is nothing but the generally a closed vessel which is generally made up of a steam. Here in this picture we show that the industrial type of a steam boiler. There are number of mountings and accessories are shown in the picture. What type of a boiler is to be used is dependent on the application of the boiler or the generation of capacity of a steam. Boiler is nothing but the device which is basically used for generation of steam or to creating the steam by applying the heat energy to the water. Thank you.